Mulumbe Hua, Cheyenne Hawj.
nhớ rồng sông chia cho bên y chồng cái tin anh cha sợ cú sa thọ có nên cho lao rạn gì cho cú vì cú yêu xí lu xí hơi nọ hay cho cú lu học thia hào lu mi ca ô chào. My platform and what I am inspired to do is to work with youth on preserving our culture and heritage. Growing up, my grandparents spoke Hmong to me, so my first language was Hmong. However, being born in this country, I started to adapt to the American culture and began to lose my ability to speak with my elders and my grandparents. Which is why I had the opportunity to attend Hmong courses that were offered to me through Fresno Unified School District. And with the help of my amazing teacher, Miss Lee, I was able to learn about how to communicate and how to write in Hmong. But I also learned about our culture and our traditions. Although my Hmong is not perfect, I try. And to me, that is the most important thing. On my journey to self-discovery, I was a mentor at a nonprofit organization called the Legacy Project. The Legacy Project was a way for students in the Central Valley to learn about different ethnic and racial backgrounds. We all came together to communicate our similarities and our differences. At the end of the program, we put together a community event where we showcased our diversity and our cultures located in the Central Valley. I also had the great pleasure to attend Guardian Angels Hmong New Year this year, and being able to hang out with our elders and see them toss ball and sing songs like Utsia and dance was so inspiring. I am committed to going to more events like these and bringing along and inspiring other youth to join along with me. I am also very excited to say that we Hmong people and we Hmong youth are the key to preserving our future. It is also important to remember that we should not shame our youth for not knowing the language or not speaking it properly, or not knowing the traditions. Instead, inspire them to learn who they are. Ocho, thank you guys.